Take a look at CoinGecko. There are more than 90 blockchain gaming projects that have a total market cap of 14 billion US dollars. That's billion with a B. There are some great gaming projects like Veracity, whose token VRA has grown 65% in these last 7 days. Also, Vidia's token VIDYA has grown 82% in these last 7 days. And at least in our opinion, the chances are pretty high that you're going to find the next 100x altcoin in this crypto gaming space. However, the key as always is to identify a quality project before it explodes in price, before everybody's talking about it. And so you guessed it, that is exactly what this video is all about. We have handpicked 5 upcoming blockchain games that we feel have the best chance of success. And make sure you stick around to the end of this video because one of them is about to undergo its IDO. Hey guys, my name is Matty and we are Altcoin Buzz, a crypto investing research company. We've been making millionaires since 2017. It's been no accident. We've been successful because we've been early investors in Ethereum, Binance, Cardano, Crypto.com's token, CRO, Engine, Matic Network, Quant Network, Polkadot, Uniswap, and of course many other 100x projects. In order to stay up to speed with everything that is happening in this space and for your best bet and best chance to be able to capitalize on the next 100x crypto gem, number one, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Altcoin Buzz, and hit the bell to receive notifications because that way you get alerts and notifications every time we publish a new video. Before we proceed, nothing in life is guaranteed, especially investments and especially cryptocurrency investments. Yes, doing more research and due diligence helps to mitigate some of the risks that are involved in investing, but those risks will never go to zero. And so this video is not financial or investment advice. But with that being said, let's get into our list of the top 5 upcoming blockchain games that we have on our radar. We are beginning at number 1 with Blockchain Monster Hunt, also known as BCMH. It's the world's first multi-chain game inspired by Pokemon Go. It's a game that can be played in the Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and Heco chain ecosystems. BCMH allows players to continuously explore brand new places on the blockchain in order to hunt and to battle monsters. And what we like about it is that BCMH is multi-chain in terms of its trading, which is facilitated through a revolutionary in-house cross-chain portal technology. And the platform supports Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and as I mentioned, Heco chain. As transaction gas fees vary between chains, as we all know, this cross-chain capability allows players of all financial backgrounds to participate. More cost-sensitive players, for example, can play on a low-fee chain like Polygon, while other players, if they so choose, can play on a more expensive chain such as Ethereum. So BCMH has its native ERC20 BEP20 token called BCMC, which users can use to play the game and move them into any of the supported blockchains. This token will have a total supply of 1 billion, and its price is currently sitting at about 9 cents. BCMH has various prestigious investors, for example, Animoca Brands, Polygon, Polkastarter, and others as well. It shows that the VCs have faith and confidence in this project. And according to the roadmap, in Q1 of next year, so Q1 2022, the Sandstone phase will be launched. And this includes the NFT non-fungible token Flash Loan, NFT cross-chain bridge, and ERC multi-chain LP. As far as how, when, and where to participate, the beta test is live right now, and the IDO is coming soon on ChainBoost, Polkastarter, and Moon Edge. It's happening from the 12th to the 14th of October, so it's basically happening right now. To register for the IDO, first, you need to win a whitelist spot by filling in a form and executing certain tasks. As far as those tasks go, here's a handy guide that you may want to refer to. We'll link to this in the description below, blog.bcmhunt.com. The whitelist for BCMC token IDO is now live on Polkastarter, ChainBoost, and Moon Edge. You'll find more information here. This is a resource that we highly recommend if you're interested. Let's talk a little bit about the IDO on Polkastarter. So in this launch pad, the public sale price of each BCMC token will be 9 cents, where you'll be able to buy them with BNB. However, it should be noted that you must hold at least 250 POLs, that's POLS tokens, on either ERC20 or BRP20 addresses for at least 7 days until the whitelist closes. The IDO pool starts at 2 p.m. UTC on the 14th of October. Let's talk about the IDO now on Chain Boost. For this particular launchpad, the public sale price of each BCMC token will also be 9 cents, and you'll be able to buy them with Ether. The IDO allocation starts on the 12th of October, so it's already ongoing and is closing on the 14th of October. Again, that's Tuesday, October 12th to Thursday, October 14th. And it's only for people who previously got invitations. And then you can also consider Moon Edge for the IDO. For this particular launchpad, the public sale price of each BCMC token is also going to be 9 cents, and you'll be able to buy them with USDC on the Matic network. This IDO pool starts on the 12th of October and finishes today. That's the 13th of October. Next up, and at number 2 on our list, we're taking a look at Cryowar, which is a real-time multiplayer PvP arena NFT game developed in Unreal Engine and on the Solana network. Cryowar is an all-out battle of skill where the best players are in a constant battle for things like resources, territories, and ultimately world domination. It's developed for PC, iOS, and Android with cross-platform multiplayer capabilities. And again, that's a detail that we always look out for. That cross-platform functionality and compatibility can be the difference between a ho-hum project and one that really makes it big. So what caught our attention about Cryowar was the amalgam between kind of the traditional PvP gaming experience and the best practices of the blockchain world, such as DAO voting, NFTs, and decentralized finance, of course, DeFi. All participants are going to be able to win prizes and stake them on the decentralized blockchain network. Game modes are going to include Last Man Standing, Deathmatch, Top Score in 5 minutes, and Battle Arena. Cryowar's development team consists of over 20 years of experience in game creation, blockchain development, security, cloud infrastructure, and networking. So needless to say, the pedigree is very strong. Cryowar is backed by some very prestigious investors like Synapse Network and Everse Capital as well. All right, so how, when, and where to participate? Cryowar is going to be launched in Solanium Launchpad. To participate in this IDO launch, you need to apply to a whitelist lottery where you have to stake SLIM, that's SLIM tokens, in any of the 5 levels of the Solanium tier system. Level 4 and 5 have a guaranteed location. More info on that system is available here at solanium.medium.com. This could be a useful resource if you'd like to brush up on the technicals of how this works. Also, AnyPad has announced a $5,500 equivalent airdrop campaign. Users need to accomplish certain tasks to receive the tokens, and this program ends on the 10th of November, so you still have plenty of time to participate. Right now we have over 68,000 entries with 27 days left. Next up, and at number 3 on our list, we're looking at CryptoBlades. It's an NFT crafting game that runs on Binance Smart Chain, BSC. It's a web-based game where every user can employ powerful weapons to defeat opponents and collect skill tokens, that's SKILL, which can then be used for upgrades and to level up their characters. So what we like about this game is that the core of the game revolves around rewarding players with skill tokens after defeating enemies and participating in raids. Also, players can hire additional characters, forge unique weapons, and even reforge those weapons to increase their overall power. It's very important to mention that players can also trade their characters and weapons on an open marketplace. They can also stake their skill earnings and receive additional skill as a reward. CryptoBlades already has 2,900 skill holders, 16 partnerships, about $1.8 million in market cap, and more than $1.2 million in rewards. Those are some good numbers, but we still feel it's early days. We feel that this has a lot of room to grow as a project. And CryptoBlades has some very prestigious partners and investors like Unity, Steam, IGF, IGN, Chainlink, and BTS Labs. So Skill, SKILL, serves as the native currency for CryptoBlades. Players leverage skill to acquire characters, again, forge and reforge weapons, and to buy and sell on the CryptoBlades marketplace. there is a maximum supply of 1 million skill tokens. Also, CryptoBlades has developed another token called KING, K-I-N-G, which is listed in PancakeSwap. The King token represents the CryptoBlades Kingdom, which is a new version of CryptoBlades that was built on top of the Binance Smart Chain. So this converted CryptoBlades Kingdom into an exciting strategy-based land-building RPG metaverse, which had tremendous success in the IDO launchpad, where King reached about 54 cents, down since the time of that IDO figure, but still sitting at 36 cents at the time of this recording. All right, so how, when, and where to participate in the IDO? Well, you can start playing CryptoBlades right now. The requirements to start playing CryptoBlades are a Binance Smart Chain compatible wallet, such as MetaMask, for example, and BNB to be used for purchasing skill and to pay for gas fees. In other words, you need your MetaMask wallet to have BNB in order to get skill and buy the characters, buy the weapons you're gonna need to play the game. However, don't forget to always have BNB to execute the purchases. All right, next up, and at number 4 on our list, we're looking at Metawars. This is a multiplayer strategy and role-playing game with a vast universe powered by a growing digital economy built on blockchain tech. So in this game, users can choose between a vast collection of NFTs and impact every major event across the galaxy. As battles rage and governments fall, it's up to you to earn your share of the vast fortunes that await. What caught our attention about Metawars is that it's, first of all, multi-layered and very deep and tactical in terms of the battlefield mechanics. Users can be warriors to fight in the center of the action, or maybe choose to be an entrepreneur and benefit from the war economically. Metawars is backed by leading companies in the crypto sector, such as Raptor Capital, CinchBlock, Infinity Gains, ABV, Magnus Capital, CoinUnited.io, Box Mining, X21, and Ice-T Labs. And you guys may remember when in a recent video we talked about Network, another project that we're excited about. Well, Metawars is actually going to be joining this particular metaverse, so that's great to see that collaboration at this early stage. All right, so how, when, and where to participate in this particular IDO? Well, according to its roadmap, the game has 4 phases of development, where right now they're in the first one. In 2021, the DApp is going to be launched. You're also going to have the IDO, staking, the release of limited characters, and they're going to offer a demo on the web, which will also be released. Also, you're going to be able to get involved in the Metawars IDO launchpad by PolyLauncher. Details are expected to be announced very soon. Then you'll have access to participate in the Metawars IDO in Redkite. Full launch details are also expected to follow very soon. And then finally, another launchpad platform where anyone will be able to participate in the Metawars IDO is GameFi. The full mission details will be released once the mission is closer. Next up, and rounding out our list today at number 5, we're looking at Playermon. It's a game that integrates blockchain tech so players can have more control and absolute ownership over their assets. It has a play-to-earn model as well, where players earn crypto and can convert that crypto into real cash. It's a game that's going to be launched on the Polygon blockchain. What we loved about Playermon is that it's a turn-based card gameplay system. And so all players need to form a team of Playermon. Each team consists of 3 Playermons. Pre-battle, players are required to choose 3 Playermons and position them strategically. And the placement of Playermons can provide an advantage over the opponent. The winner of the face-off then gains Space Gem tokens. That's SGEM. And the Playermons will gain experience from that battle. Playermon has some very prestigious partners and investors such as Elianto, Engine Starter, VNDC, Stablecoin, Polygon Matic, Bitmart, MBA, Altcoin Buzz, and Axie2u.com. And this project is aware that there are many people out there that can't afford to invest in P2E games, and that's why they've launched a scholarship program to which you can apply. The winners of this particular program are going to be announced once the game is launched for the public. To qualify, you need to have a minimum of 100 referrals. And if that's something that interests you, you can apply here. Right now, as you guys see, there are over 5,000 entries. You have 68 days left if you'd like to apply to this particular scholarship. All right, so how, when, and where to participate in this particular IDO? You're going to need to apply to the 3rd whitelist round, which ends on November 3rd, where only 50 people will get a spot in the upcoming IDO. Engine Starter's Launchpad will host Playermon IDO. Stay tuned. There's going to be more collaboration updates coming in the very near future. That's our expectation. So there you have it, guys. I think we all agree that the blockchain and crypto gaming space is going to be absolutely hyper massive. And at least for now, these are 5 projects that we have our eyes on very closely. They're on our radar for a reason, and we're very excited about all of these. As always, guys, this kind of video is never financial advice, but if you do choose to invest, well, we wish you all the very best of luck. There are some other videos that should be popping up right about now. Of course, if you enjoyed today's video, like, subscribe, share, hit the bell to receive notifications. Stay safe, and as always, we do hope to see you again soon in the next video. Take care.